Hey, what's up? Just made these. Boom. So I just did this pair, and as you can see, it's like textured. It's raised up a bit. And I thought, hey, I should show you how to do it on the other shoe. So this is done. I'm going to show you how to do it on the other shoe. So let's do it. Just want to get a close-up real quick so you could kind of see how it looks on the shoe. Obviously, this is a pair of Vans. You might have seen this type of design around before on other types of shoes. You could do it on, you know, basically anything. You could do it any colors. Let me see if I could get this. So this is what I'm using. If you could focus, there we go. So it's kind of like handle cover type stuff. You know, you just dip your tools in there. I use just a end of an old brush, so if that wants to focus, doesn't want to focus, okay. So I got this old piece of junk brush, and I pretty much dip the back end into it. Poop, go in there and draw it on. That's pretty much what it looks like. You know, you could get this. I got it for $7.45, I think, at Lowe's. It's super cheap. And you can do really cool customs with it. As you can see here, in the future I'm going to do different colors, stuff like that. Probably on some like Air Forces, I don't know. But let's get right into it now. Now let's get into it. So I'm here so far. As you can see, the whole line is covered. So now I'm going to do the drip effect. So this is where I'm now at. It's almost dry. It might actually the drips might fall a little bit, as you can see right now. I don't know if they're fully dry or not, but I mean, it's that simple. You know, I like how it turned out. Now you got two different shoes that are super unique. You can definitely tell on this one it's raised a little bit. I think that's a really cool effect. But a super simple custom. And I like how they turned out. You could do it with different colors, you could do it with different shoes. But I mean, nothing much to it. Now just let it dry and you got a shoe. I just wanted to make a quick video on these because I've seen them a lot around, and I haven't seen any tutorial videos on how to make them. I've only seen them in like pictures and stuff like that on Instagram. But you know, that's pretty much how you make those. Not too hard, very simple, very clean, you know. About $7-8 bucks. You got a 50-cent brush, and before you know it, you got a cool custom. Thanks for watching this. Make sure to like, subscribe, and check out all my other videos. Thank you.